Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Jones and welcome to my course, Object-Oriented Programming with Kotlin. I am a developer and owner at Rock Solid Knowledge, a software development company based in the United Kingdom. Kotlin supports different styles of programming, in particular functional and object-oriented. This course covers how to do object-oriented programming in Kotlin. Kotlin's approach to OO is similar to Java and C#, but does have differences. And those differences can greatly affect how you approach a programming problem. As well as building from the basics, I also build a complete application from scratch to show you how to apply the concepts you've learned. Some of the major topics that we will cover include creating classes, abstract classes and interfaces, using primary and secondary constructors and the init method, understanding derivation, creating and using generic types, understanding data classes and when to use them. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Kotlin to create object-oriented code. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Kotlin syntax and also with IntelliJ IDEA or Android Studio. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Kotlin with courses on unit testing with JUnit 5 and Kotlin, building web applications in Kotlin using Ktor. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn object-oriented programming with the Object-Oriented Programming with Kotlin course at Pluralsight.